Hi, I'm Nadeem, and in this channel we talk about personal growth and self-improvement related stuff. And today is going to be the second part of the video series where we are reviewing one of the best personal finance books, that is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. So in the last video, we had talked about the introduction part of the book and also discussed the first 5 chapters. And in today's video, we will discuss 5 more chapters, which are Tales You Win, Freedom, Man in the Car Paradox, Wealth is What You Don't See, and finally, Save Money. So, talking about the sixth chapter, which is Tales You Win. In this chapter, Morgan discusses the importance of understanding and embracing the unpredictable nature of investing and success. He introduces the concept of tails or outlier events which have a disproportionately large impact on financial outcomes. Morgan explains that small number of significant events often account for the majority of results in investing, business, and life. He illustrates this with the example of how most of Warren Buffett's wealth comes from a handful of investments that perform exceptionally well. This chapter emphasizes the importance of patience and perseverance, as the right tail events can lead to extraordinary success. Morgan encourages the readers to focus on staying in the game long enough to benefit from these rare but impactful events, highlighting that you don't need to be right all the time, just at the crucial moments. Now, getting on to the seventh chapter, which is Freedom. In this chapter, Morgan discusses how the true value of wealth lies in the freedom it can provide. He argues that the ability to control your time and make decisions independently is one of the significant benefits of financial freedom. Morgan explains that money should be viewed as a tool to achieve personal freedom, allowing individuals to live life on their own terms without being tied down to financial obligations or to conform to social expectations. He highlights that while many people pursue wealth for material gains, the ultimate goal should be to attain the flexibility to do what you want, how you want, when you want, and with whom you want. This chapter encourages the readers to prioritize financial independence and autonomy, as these lead to a more fulfilling and satisfying life. Now, getting on to the eighth chapter, which is Man in the Car Paradox. This chapter highlights the discrepancy between our motivations to display wealth and how others perceive it. Morgan explained that people often buy luxury items like expensive cars to gain status and admiration. However, rather than being impressed by the person who owns all these things, onlookers are usually more focused on imagining themselves in that position. This chapter illustrates that the desire for social recognition and approval through material possessions can be misguided. Morgan argues that true respect and admiration comes from qualities like humility, kindness, and empathy, and not from visible wealth. So the key takeaway from this chapter is that true fulfillment and influence come from internal virtues rather than the superficial appeal of luxury items. Now, talking about the ninth chapter, which is Wealth is What You Don't See. In this chapter, Morgan explores the concept that true wealth is often invisible, as it consists of assets not immediately apparent to others. He argues that people tend to associate wealth with visible signs of affluence, expensive cars, clothing, or homes. But the real money is the money that is not spent, which are investments and savings that provide financial security and future opportunities. Morgan explains that the ability to live below your means reflect genuine wealth and financial health. This chapter emphasizes the importance of valuing hidden wealth and understanding that financial stability and freedom comes from what remains unspent. So the key lesson is focusing on building wealth, preserving it. Now, talking about the last chapter for today, which is Save Money. In this chapter, Morgan emphasizes the importance of saving money as a fundamental financial habit, independent of specific reasons or goals. He argues that having a reserve of savings provides flexibility, security, and peace of mind, which are crucial for dealing with life's uncertainties. Morgan suggests that saving money isn't about building wealth, but about gaining control over your future and reducing stress. He also suggests that saving money is more about the discipline of managing your finances than it is about high income or investment returns. So, this chapter encourages the readers to cultivate a savings mindset, highlighting that having cash reserves allows you to capitalize on opportunities, withstand financial setbacks, and enjoy a more stable and secure life. So, the key takeaway is saving is a way to improve your options and freedom, not just accumulating wealth. So, now quickly summarizing what we talked about in today's video. So, in chapter 6, we learned that rare events or tales drive the majority of outcomes. So, it's important to focus on the big picture rather than individual results. In chapter 7, we learned that true wealth is about having control over your time and decisions, emphasizing the value of financial independence. In chapter 8, we learned that people often buy luxury items to impress others, but true respect comes from qualities like kindness, empathy, and humility, and not material possessions. In chapter 9, we learned that the real wealth is the money not spent, which are the savings and investments that provide financial securities and opportunities rather than visible luxury. And lastly, chapter 10, which highlights the importance of saving money as a way to gain control over your future, reduce stress, and enhance your financial stability and freedom. And that's it for today. I'll see you again next week with a new video. And also, while we cover a lot in our videos, there is still a wealth of knowledge in the book. And I highly recommend you buying a copy for yourself. The link will be given in the description below. Thanks for watching.